Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing amazingly well. So this video is in collaboration with 𝐏𝗿𝐶𝗱𝘂𝘂𝐶𝐾. Oh my god, what a dream come true for me. I have always wanted to work with this company for a very long time, but I always saw myself like, oh my gosh, I'm just like a little mini person here. 𝐏𝗿𝐶𝗱𝘂𝘂𝑃 is huge. They are the UK's online largest retailer for beauty, for perfume, for skincare. They have so many brands. They've got MAC. They have a lot of popular brands, like over 660 brands on their website and counting. They have so many items. They are fantastic. Customer service is on point. Before I collaborated with 𝐏𝗿𝐶𝗱𝘂𝘂𝑃, I have dealt with their customer service many times and the service is always first class. I can't rave about them enough, and there's so many products that they offer. I highly recommend you guys go onto their website. If you live in UK and Europe, go onto their website, check out what they have to offer. They have brands like Sol de Janeiro, they've got YSL. So once again, thank you to 𝐏𝗿𝐶𝗱𝘂𝘂𝑃 for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to bring you this video because it's all about summertime essential and holiday picks. Now before I start this video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and let me know what your scent of the day is. Now we're gonna get to the perfumes, but for the first time on my channel, I am gonna show you little snippets of makeup, how I do my makeup. You guys have been asking me for the longest time, probably from the beginning of my channel, that I should let you guys know how and do my makeup, do a get ready with me. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a taster. I do not bake and cake. I do not contour and chisel. It's not what I do. It's not my brand. It's just not me. I like to keep things very basic, very simple, very natural, because I want to look just like me, but a little bit more elevated. And that's what this makeup look is going to give you guys. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the star of the show and the only product you need to get out of everything I'm going to show you, and that is SPF. You need to get SPF in your routine all year round. Doesn't matter if you live in Alaska or you live in Nigeria or you live in Spain or you live in the United States, you need to have a sunscreen that you use on your skin, because it's important to protect your skin. It's the largest organ in our body and it protects all our insides, so we have to take care of it. And I absolutely love this La Roche-Posay sunscreen. It is perfect for everybody, whether you have normal to dry skin, sensitive skin, oily skin. It is perfect for everybody. It feels amazing on your skin, guys. Trust me when I tell you, it almost goes right into your skin. You don't get a white cast. You don't feel like you've got anything on your skin. It just feels so seamless, so lovely. You don't need so much, and I love the consistency. It feels very liquidy, which I really love, so it melts in quite quickly. You don't need to work it into your skin at all. Just rub it in nicely onto your neck as well, because our neck does age quite quickly in comparison to our face. So I always will put it through, run it through to my neck and parts of my body that show. When I'm on holiday, I would also put it on parts of my body. I think it's amazing. I love the price of this. I have tried so many sunscreen and none of them compares to this, and there's a lot of hype about it, and rightly so, because it is absolutely stunning. I will leave everything that I'm going to mention in this video linked in my description bar below. All the discount codes that are available, I will have everything linked in my description box below, so make sure you check it out. So that is the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. So the next item is my beloved primer. I absolutely love this YSL Blur Primer. It literally blurs your skin, your pores, any lines and fine lines. It just blurs everything seamlessly. Your makeup will glide on beautifully. You need this in your collection. If you want a simple look, especially when you're on holiday and it's really hot. This is so perfect for it. I've used this in the heat. I just think it's amazing all year round. You can use it all year round, but it's amazing in the heat. It blurs your skin so well, guys. I can't tell you enough. If you get this, you are going to thank me because it's absolutely stunning. Another item that a lot of people rave about, and this brand has been around for at least, not even at least, over 100 years, and this is 𝐏𝗿𝐶𝗱𝘂𝘂 Skin Food. This is absolutely amazing for anybody that has really dry skin. I mostly use this on my elbows, my knees, and my feet, and there are times I put it on my face if I want that kind of glowy look, because it is almost like a very light ointment, but very light on your skin. It feels amazing. Again, another one that's great for sensitive skin. I have 2 children with very sensitive skin. I've used this on them. It is perfect. You can just throw it in your holiday bag. It's for the whole family. Everybody will be feeling and smelling lovely. It has a very simple scent to it. It's nothing fragrant, but it's just lovely. Trust me, get this. It smells amazing. It has like a citrusy kind of herbally scent to it, but it's nothing offensive. And honestly, guys, this is amazing, especially if you suffer with very dry skin. It's wonderful. So the next items I'm going to talk about are makeup. Now, I am not, like I said at the beginning of the video, I am not a makeup person. I don't contour, I don't bake, I don't bake my face. I don't why am I laughing? I don't do a lot, I don't do a lot. I just like my skin to feel like skin, and I feel really uncomfortable when I have so many products on my face. I just don't feel like myself. So if you are like me and you want a very simple makeup look, guys, these items are all you need, especially when you're on holiday. You don't want to be caking, baking, highlighting and contouring. It's just too much work. It takes too long, unless you're gonna do a photo shoot, then fair enough. But if you're just going away with your friends or your family, you don't need to do much. So I highly recommend this foundation, and this is by NARS, and it is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation, and my color is 𝐏𝗿𝐶𝗱𝘂𝘂 in medium deep 5. I'm going to leave everything linked down below. This color is a perfect match for me. I have tried so many foundations in the past that never worked for me. If they don't break me out, they won't be the same shade as my skin tone, or they will start melting off when the sun is shining. It's just, I've not been lucky finding the right foundation, but I finally found one in NARS. Now, NARS is one of those makeup brands that it speaks for itself. I don't have to sell it. I don't have to overhype it, because it speaks for itself. It is stunning. If a girl is wearing NARS, you just know. If you guys go into a NARS makeup counter and you look at the ladies that work there, their skin is flawless. If you compare it to other brands, I'm not going to mention any names, I don't want no drama, but all the girls at the NARS makeup counter, flawless, guys. They are flawless. And if you go onto Look Fantastic website, it will show you how you can pick your shade, which I think is really helpful, especially for someone who is just maybe trying to pick their first foundation, or they're not sure what to get, and there are a lot of colors available. Definitely check this one out if you have not already. So that is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Now we move on to the concealer. This is my favorite concealer ever. I've been using this concealer for about 5 to 6 years, and it lasts me for a very long time. Now, bearing in mind, I don't wear foundation until recently, because when I found this foundation, I couldn't get enough of it. But prior to finding it, this was my holy grail. All the videos I've ever made, you guys go back and check my videos. This is the only thing I use on my face, believe it or not. I use this, and I have like a lighter color that I kind of use to highlight just a little bit, and that is me done. I don't like wahala, I don't like overdoing. I like to keep things nice and simple, and this is nice and simple. It glides on so well. My color in this is also medium dark, and the color is called Truffle. It is amazing. It's great to cover up spots if you want to cover up your birthmark. I have a birthmark on my face. I love my birthmark, but times that I want to cover it up, this does the job for me. You guys would never know I have a birthmark on my face. It literally goes from half of my face from here all the way to my cheek, and it's never been a problem for me. I wear my skin proud, like I'm happy in the skin that I'm in. But times that I want my skin to be one color, or you know, just kind of like have a flawless look, I definitely go for this concealer. It is the truth. Try it out, let me know what you guys think, or if you have it already, comment down below. It's amazing. So the next two items are my amazing mascaras, and I use two because I don't wear fake lashes. I just can't do it. I used to, and it ripped out my eyelashes, and ever since then I have vowed that I'm not gonna touch or wear any fake lashes. I'm just gonna work with what the Lord has given me and be proud of it. So I have these two. This I recently discovered, and it's by a brand called 𝐏𝗿𝐶𝗱𝘂𝘂, and this is the no makeup mascara, and this is what the brush looks like. Now this is a dark brown, and I use this more as my primer, or when I don't want to look like I've got mascara on. It fans out your lashes because of it feels more like a comb for your lashes. I use it first, and once I'm done, I go in with my Better Than Sex mascara. This mascara is truth. I have loved, and I've been wearing this mascara for years and years and years, and it is perfect for everybody. The black is blacking. It's very, very dark in color, and it just makes your eyelashes fuller. Now I don't have much lashes, I can't even lie to you guys. I have the shortest, most scantiest eyelashes ever, but this works for me. So I use the first one to fan it out, and then I use the Better Than Sex to kind of give my eyelashes some volume, and Bob's your uncle. Honestly, it just works amazingly. If you guys are thinking what's Bob's your uncle, it's a UK thing. It's like a UK way of saying like voila, or like spot on, or something like that. But yeah, these are really, really good. I forgot to mention, last but not least, is the Continuous Setting Spray by Morphe. Now I love the Charlotte Tilbury one. Everybody knows about that. It's fantastic, but this gives me hydration, and I don't get that from the Charlotte Tilbury one. I do get like a very, almost like my makeup has been sucked into place, but this one gives me a very fine, misty, hydrating feel. Like, I love the way that it sprays. It's just so lovely on your face. Like, there are times when I'm not wearing makeup, I will still come into my room and I will spray this on my face to just get that kind of hydration going. And when it's hot, this is perfect to also use. It's amazing. So that is the Continuous Setting Spray by Morphe. And now let's move on to the perfumes. That's what you guys are here for. And the first one is Eau de Soleil Blanc by Tom Ford, and I got this 10 ml because it's easy to just throw into your bag when you're out and about, when you go on holiday. It's just great for summertime. This is summer in a bottle. You don't really need any other perfume in the summertime, guys. This is really, really perfect. It's fresh. It's a little bit floral. It has a coconut note. It gives you that tropical vibe. It's a very unique smelling perfume. You're going to smell expensive on a beach. If you go to a bar, it's just a perfect scent for spring and summer. I highly recommend it. The next perfume spray is one that everyone knows by this point. This is Brazilian Crush 62 by Sol de Janeiro. Everything Sol de Janeiro I love. I have a video, not even a video, I have videos out on my channel all about Sol de Janeiro. You can catch those videos if you're interested. This is a pistachio and salted caramel scent. It smells amazing. This one should be a staple in everyone's fragrance collection. You can wear this all year round. It is a gourmand, but it is a very fresh, light, gourmand smelling body spray, and it does last very, very long. I really, really love this one. The next perfume is Prada Paradoxe. This is the It Girl perfume. Like, this is from the bottle to the scent is very, very it girl. It is a fruity floral with a vanilla dry down. It is very beautiful, mass appealing, super likable. It's one you can wear all year round, to be honest, but I really love it in the spring and summer. I think it's stunning. It lasts long, it's inoffensive, you don't have to think about it, just grab and go. It's beautiful. So that is Prada Paradox. Next perfume is Carolina Herrera's Very Good Girl. This is a sexy bottle. This is a sexy perfume. I absolutely love this. This smells quite similar to Delina by Perfumes de Marly, but Delina is more tart. This is sweeter and it is more, I would say it's more mass appealing, and there are a lot of flankers of this perfume, but for me this is the best one to get. They have the blush, they've got the Supreme, they have the Original Good Girl, but ultimately to me, in my opinion, this is the best one to get. It's lychee, it's rose, it's vetiver, it's vanilla, it's fantastic, it lasts long, and it costs way less than Delina. I just highly recommend it for spring and summer. It's absolutely beautiful. The next perfume is Dylan Purple by Versace. This is such a beautiful scent. Like, this is the only Dylan that you need. I feel like the original one is, I find it to be quite boring and a little basic. The turquoise one was just a no for me, but this is very, very nice. It's a fruity perfume, more fruity than floral. It's sweet, but it's very, very fruity, and I love that. It kind of smells like red berries, vanilla, some floral touches are in there. The bottle is stunning. Like, it's just perfect for this time of the year. It's one that I feel like men will gravitate towards. It gives me that very sweet, a little bit innocent but naughty at the same time. I just really love it, and it lasts a long time. This surprised me. On my skin, I got 7 hours, where I kept catching whiffs of it on myself. It's a long-lasting scent. I feel like it's actually well priced for what it is. There's a lot of perfumes out there that don't do what this does in the designer realm. I think this is one of the best releases of 2023 so far, especially for the spring and summer months. It's just beautiful. If you are into a fruity perfume, look no further. Dylan Purple is amazing. And the last perfume I will recommend for holiday, date night, daily wear, work wear, everything is Chloe Naturel. I have been raving about this perfume since last year, and I don't know if everybody can get it over in the States or anywhere else, but I know it's available in UK and Europe. This is also available on Look Fantastic, of course. That's where I got mine from. This is a sweet perfume with a kind of floral aspect to it. It has jasmine, and it's strong on the jasmine, but it's like a jasmine done in a very natural way. This is made from natural ingredients as far as I read into it. It's a strong perfume, but it smells light. You know, like you can spray this on, it will last you. I get about maybe 5 hours from this perfume, give or take. It's not one you need to overspray, because if you do, it can be a bit much, because this does have dates in it. It's a sweet scent, and I don't know, date is becoming one of my favorite notes at the moment. A lot of perfumes I'm seeing around here and there have the note of dates, and this is beautiful. It's not too sweet, it's not too floral, it's not too anything. It's smooth, it's perfectly blended. I would definitely recommend you blind buy it, and you guys know I don't recommend blind buying, but I've recommended this perfume to so many people. No one has come back yet to say that they don't like it, so I definitely recommend it, and that is Chloe Naturel. So my lovelies, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you also to Look Fantastic for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate all our conversations. I think you guys are amazing, and I love your products. You have so many things to offer, so many. It's unreal. Like I said, guys, I will leave everything linked in my description box below. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you go shopping, treat yourself. The summer season is upon us, and I'm in a good mood. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I cannot Wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.